We'll guide you through how to make blur effect Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. When the application starts, click Login with Browser so you can access your account. You will automatically be redirected to your browser to complete the login process. On the login page, choose the login method you want to use. For example, continue with Google. Select the account you use to sign into Figma so the system can verify your credentials and allow you to continue. After completing the authentication process, click Open the desktop app to return to the application. You will automatically be redirected back to the Figma desktop application once the login is successful. Next, open the Figma file where you want to apply the blur effect so you can begin editing your design. Make sure the file loads properly and that you are on the correct page where the effect will be applied. To insert an image that will receive the blur effect, select the main menu icon located in the top left corner of the interface. Click File from the drop-down menu to open the file options. From the list, select Place Image so you can import an image into the canvas. A file browser window will appear on your screen, allowing you to locate the image file stored on your computer. Choose the image you want to use and click Open to confirm the selection. After selecting the image, move your cursor to the canvas area and click and drag to place the image onto the canvas. Scroll down through the panel until you find the Effects section, which allows you to apply visual effects to the selected object. Inside the Effects section, click the Add Effect button to create a new effect entry. A default effect will appear under the Effects list. Next, click the drop-down icon in the Effect options to open the list of available effect types. From the available options, choose Layer Blur to apply a blur effect directly to the selected image layer. Once the effect is selected, adjust the blur value according to your needs. For example, set the value to 10 to create a noticeable blur effect. After setting the blur amount, click outside the panel to apply the effect and return to the canvas view. The blur effect will now appear on the selected object.